Good morning, student. Today we are going to discuss chapter 14, factorization, exercise 14.4. Question number 1. Question number 1 है find the factorization of the given expressions. The expression is given here 36 a to the power 4 minus 97 a square b square plus 36 b to the power 4. So here you can see this is a trinomials because it has three terms, first term, second term, third terms. So it is a trinomials, but here you can see no common factor between them. So for this, how to find factors of this trinomials? Okay, we need to find the factor of this trinomial. So we write the middle term, we split this middle terms into two parts. So let's see how to find the factors of this trinomials. It's become 36 a to the power 4 minus, we write it 96, 97 a square b square as it is 16 a square b square minus 81 a square b square plus 36 b power 4. Okay, so we break 37. You can write 37. You can write 97, 16 plus 81. This is clear. So we write it. Now after this we making group. Okay, so we make a group. This is first two terms we take and make a first group, and last two terms we make second groups. Clear? Now, so we can write here now. So we can write here. This is becomes 36 a to the power 4 minus 16 a square b square. This is first group. Now, if we take minus common from here, and we have here 81 a square b square minus 36 b to the power 4. This is clear. Now this is our first group, this is our second group. Okay, so what is the count between them? What is the count between them? 36 you can write as it is. Now, so you can see here what is the common between in first group. So you can write 36 as it is. 36 is equal to 36 a to the power 4. So you can write it 4 into 9 into a to the power 2 into a to the power 2. Clear? And this terms is 16 a square b square, 16 a square b squares. Also you can write, you can express it as the product of irreducible factors. So this is equal to what? So here you can see, you write 16 4 into 4 into a square into b square. This is 9. So what is common here? So you can see a square is common and 4 is common. Okay, so it means that in the first brackets we have common 4 into a squares, means 4 a square is common here. This is clear. 4 is a square is common here. Okay, now so we can write here, you can take common 4 a square. After taking common 4 squares in first terms, we have 9a square. We have here 9a square minus. Here we have 4b square. 4b square. This is clear? Now, in the second terms, this is second groups. What is common in second groups? So you can see here, you can write 81 a square b square. You can write 81 a square b square like this. 9 into 9, 81 into a square into b square. Clear? And this is the fourth terms of second groups. This is equal to what? This is equal to 36 b to the power 4. You can write it 9 into 4 into b square into b square. Clear? So you can see here in these both terms what have common? Common is 9 and b square. Clear? 9 and b square is common here. So if you take common 9b square in the second group, then first terms we have 9a square. Here we have 9a square minus. Clear? And in second last terms we have 4b square. 4b square. This is clear? Now, so in this way you can see we are taking the common factors of first group and the second group, and we have in first bracket of first groups 9a square minus 4b square, 9b minus, and in second group in bracket we have also 9a square minus 4b square. This is clear? Now, so here we observe that in both terms, this is first terms and this is second terms, 9a square minus 4b square is common. So now we take common factors of 9a square, 9a square minus 4b square, okay, and here we have 4a square minus 9b square. This is clear? Now, okay, now here you can see 9a square minus 4b square, and again 4a square minus 9b square. So you can write it like this. 9a square is what? 9a square. You can write it 3 whole square of 3, because 9 is equal to what? You can write 9 is equal to 3 into 3. This is equal to square of 3. When it's become square of 3, a square, then you can write this 3a whole square of 3. This is clear? Now, so we can write 9a square is square of 3. It becomes square of 3a minus 4b. 4b is equal to what? 4b, this is equal to 4b square, this is equal to, you can write square of 2 into b square, or you can write here 2b whole square of 2, because you know very well the law of exponent of a to the power m into b to the power m. This is equal to a into b whole power m. Clear? According to this law of exponent, you can write 4b square is equal to 2 to the power 2 into b to the power 2. This is equal to whole square of 2b. Clear? Now, so here we write 4b square is equal to 2 power square. Okay? 4b square is equal to whole square of 2b. Now, similarly, we can write 4a square. 4a square is also you can write whole square of 2a. Whole square of 2a minus 9b square. 9b square is, what is 9b square? Also you can write 9b square, this is equal to 3b whole square of 3b. Clear? This is equal to whole square of 3b. Now you can see here 3a square minus 2b square. So this is a difference of 2 squares. Difference of 2 square is equal to sum of the numbers into difference of the numbers. Okay, it means that we use here third advantage. What is the third advantage? A square minus b square. This is equal to what? This is equal to a plus b into a minus b. Okay, this is the third advantage. Difference of 2 square. Okay, so this square minus this square, this is called sum of this and difference of this. So here we obtain 3a plus 2b into 3a minus 2b. Clear? Now in this factors, here you can see this is also, we find this factor because this is also a square of form of a square of b square. Here you use the third advantage, a square minus b square. This is equal to a plus b into a minus b. A plus b into a minus b. So this part is a and this part is b. This is clear. So you can observe here. You can write 2a plus 3b into 2a minus 3b. So here you can write 2a plus 3b into 2a minus 3b. This is clear. So student, in this question this is given that 36 a to the power 4 minus 97 a square b square plus 36 b to the power 4. This is a trinomials. We need to find its factors. Okay, but here no common factor between them. So we split these terms. Okay, 16 a square, 16 and 81. Okay, if you sum them, 16 a square b square minus 80 and 81 a square b square, this becomes 97 a square b square. Okay, so we break 97 a square b square as 16 a square b square and 81 a square b square. After this, we make it two groups. First and second terms you make first groups, and second and the fourth terms you also make second groups. Okay, in both groups we will observe here what is common between them. So here you can see 4 is common between them. 4, 9 4 ja 4 4 ja. Okay, 4 common between them, and a to the power 4 you can write a square into a square. A to the power 4 you can write a square into a square. Why you can write a square into a square? Because you know very well the law of exponent. If the base are same, in the case of multiplication, then their power will add. So here you can see a to the power m into a to the power n. Base are same, power is different. Okay, so in this case we add their power. Okay, similarly a to the power 2 into a to the power 2 is equal to a to the power 4. Clear? According to this law of exponents. So here we take common 4 8 square, and here also 4 a square. After taking 4 a square common in both terms, we have 9 a square minus 4 b squares. Okay, in second groups have 81 a square b square minus 36 b power 4. After here you observe that 9 b square is common, because you can see here 9 into 9 81, 9 into 4 36. So 9 is common, and a into b, a square into b square, and the b power 4 is b square into b squares. Okay, so here you can take common 9 b square. After taking common, we have 9 a square minus 4 b squares. Okay, so here you observe in both terms 9 a square minus 4 b square, 9 a square minus 4 b square. So we take common 9 a square minus 4 b square. So we have 9 a square minus 4 b square into 4 a square minus 9 b square. So here you can see this is here also the factor is possible in both terms. Here this and this factor is possible, because you can write 9 a square. 9 a square is equal to whole square of 3a, and for b square this is equal to whole square of 2b. Okay, so this is the form of a square minus b square, like this. Okay, here you use third advantage, a square minus b square, this is equal to a plus b into a minus b. This is clear now. So we use third advantage in these terms. So you obtain here 3a plus 2b, 3a minus 2b, because this is a square, this is b square. First time sum of them 3a plus 2b, and second time difference of them 3a minus 2b. Also you can see here this is 4a square minus 9b square. So 4a square you can write it whole square of 2a minus 9b square you can write it whole square of 3b. So again we used here third advantage. What is the third advantage? You can see here third advantage, a square minus b square, this is equal to a plus b into a minus b. Also you know its name, difference of 2 square. Difference of 2 square is sum of the numbers into difference of the numbers. So first this is a square, this is b square. If you take, then first we sum their sum 2a plus 3b. After this they are different, 2a minus 3b. So in this way we find the factors of this expression 36a to the power 4 minus 97, a square b square plus 36 a to the power 36 b to the power 4. Okay, so factor of this expression is 3a plus 2b into 3a minus 2b into 2a plus 3b into 2a minus 3b. So student, I hope all of you understood these questions, how to find the factors of this expression. This is trinomials. Okay, types of monomials, binomials, trinomials, you know very well. One terms represent monomials, two terms binomial, three terms trinomials, and more than three terms you can say polynomials. Okay, now so we are going to discuss next question, question number 2. Let's see what have in question number 2. Firstly, erase them. Okay, so student, I hope all of you able to find the factor such types expressions which is given in power 4, power 2, trinomials or polynomials. Okay, now so we are going to discuss second question of this exercise, exercise 14.4, question number 2. What has in question number 2? In question number 2, we find the factors of given polynomials. Okay, so let's see. Question number 2 है, question number 2 है y into y square minus 2, y into y square minus 2y, clear, y plus 2 plus 2y minus y square minus 2 plus y minus 2 plus y. This is given. This is the given expression. We need to find its factors. So how we find its factors? First we observe here and that nothing is common factor between them. This is the first term, second term, third term, fourth term. Okay, so nothing is common between them. So what do you do? First we arrange them. So you can write it like this. First write y into y square minus 2y plus we also write it like this, minus, take minus common here, this is equal to 2, it will become, after taking minus common, this becomes y square, this is minus 2y. Okay, now and here if we can write it like this, y minus 2. Okay, this is clear. Now So here, what is the common between them? Y square in minus 2y. What is common? Here already grouped this expression, first group, second group, and third groups. So tell me what is common in first groups. So you can see here in first groups what is common. This is common here. Y is common here. So already here y, and we take common y. So here we have y minus 2. Okay, because in a very well y square you can write y into y. Okay, and 2y, this is equal to what? This is equal to 2 into y. So here you can see y is common between them. Y is common between them. If you take common y, then we obtain that here we have y, here you have y, here 2. So it becomes y minus 2. Again, this is 2 into, what is the common between them? So your answer is y is common between them. So if you take common y, so here we have y and minus, you write as it is. This becomes 2y. After taking comma y from 2y, we have here y. This is clear? Sorry, not y, it is 2 because we take comma y. Okay, so here we have only 2. This is clear. Now here we can write nothing common between them, then you can write here 1 is common. So write here y minus 2. Clear? You can see this is clear. Now so after we can write it y square, y into y, it become y square into y minus 2 minus 2 into y, this becomes 2y, y minus 2, and here plus 1 y minus 2. This is clear? Okay, now here each terms you can see here y minus 2 is a common factors. In each terms you can see y minus 2 as a common factor. So we take y minus 2 as a common. Then we have here after taking common y minus 2, so we have here y square, and second groups we have minus 2y, and third groups we have plus 1. Okay, so you can see here we write y minus 2 as it is. Y square minus 2y plus 1. Here factor is possible. Okay, so y square minus 2y plus 1, you can write it y square minus 2y plus 1 whole square of 1. So it becomes whole square of a. This is the form of whole square of a plus b. This is the form of whole square of a plus b. Whole square of a plus b is equal to what? You can write, you can enumerate whole square of a plus b. This is equal to what? This is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Okay, but here minus, so you use second identity. Okay, this is first identity. So for this we use second identity because the middle terms is minus sign. So what is the second identity? Second identity is that whole square of a minus b. Whole square of a minus b. This is equal to what? This is equal to, you can write a square minus 2ab plus b square. This is a second identity. Clear? So here you can see a square minus 2ab plus b square. Here a is equal to y, a is equal to y, b is equal to 1. Okay, if we put the here, then we obtain it becomes whole square of y minus 1. So here you can write y minus 2 into whole square of y minus 1. This is the form of whole square of y minus 1. When you stress whole square of y minus 1, then we obtain, what we obtain here? We obtain here y square minus 2y plus 1. Whole square of y minus 1. This is equal to what? This is equal to y square minus 2y plus 1. 1 is square of 1. Okay. Also you can write y minus 2 into y minus whole square of y minus 1. This is equal to what? This is equal to y minus 1 into y minus 1. This is clear? So student, I hope all of you understood these questions. Now we are going to discuss next question, question number 3 of this exercise. Okay, so let's see how to solve the third questions. And I hope all of you understood these questions and you are able to solve such types questions. Okay, now let's see question number 3. What having question number 3? Now question number 3 have under root part also consist and we need to find its factors. So let's see. And this question number 2, we have only arranged them. After arranging, these questions becomes very simple and we are able to find the factor of these questions. Now, okay. So question number 3 is given here. Write the question number 3. What have in question number 3? Question number 3 है 2x square minus root 3x minus 3. 2x square minus root 3x minus 3. This is a question number 3. Clear? So we explain these terms root 3 such that their sum is root 3 and product is 6, because if you multiply the coefficient of x square and constant terms, then we obtain 6. Coefficient of x square is 2 and the constant term is 3. Their multiplication is 6. This is clear. Now, so we can write and we split these terms root 3 such that, or you can say we find the factor of 6 such that their product is 6 and their sum is root and their difference is root 3. Root 3. Why we find that difference? Because you can see the constant terms is negative signs. Okay. So and also you know very well 3 is equal to, you can write root 3 into root 3. Here 3 is equal to, we can write root 3 into root 3. So in these terms, and also we can write 6 is equal to 2 into root 3 into root 3. Clear? Now, or you can write it 2 root 3 into root 3. This is equal to 6. Now here you can see, if you take their difference, 2 root 3 minus root 3, this is equal to what? Root 3. Root 3 or 1 root 3, both are same. Clear? So you can see here, we can write 2x square minus root 3, it becomes 2 root 3. 2 root 3 minus root 3 into x minus 3. When you open this bracket, then you got 2x square minus 2 root 3x plus root 3x minus 3. After this, we are grouping it. So you can write it in first group 2x square minus 2 root 3x. In second group, you can write it root 3x minus, you can write 3 is equal to root 3 into root 3. So here we write in the place of 3, root 3 into root 3. This is clear? Now, so here what is common between them? Obviously we can say 2x is common here. After taking common 2x, here we have x and here what do we have? Root 3. Clear? Now, what is the common between them? Obviously you can say root 3. Only root 3 is common in second group. So here we take common root 3. We have here x minus root 3. Okay. Now this is the first group, this is the second group. Here we observe that in both groups x minus root 3 is common. So we take here x minus root 3, x minus root 3 as a common between both groups, both terms. So in first terms we have 2x and in second terms we have root 3. So in this way you can see you find the factor of 2x square minus root 3x minus 3. So student, I hope all of you understood this question. Thank you for watching. Jai Hind.